Having trouble with your iPhone, stuck on updating or constantly spinning when trying to set the time zone? This can happen because of issues with location services, network problems, or software bugs. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it and get your time zone set up correctly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check location services. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap privacy and security. Tap location services to ensure it's on. Scroll down. Select system services. Make sure setting time zone is toggled on. Go back and check if your time zone updates automatically. Solution 2. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait for about 10 seconds, then tap airplane mode again to turn it off. Go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap date and time and see if the time zone updates correctly. Solution 3. Reset location and privacy. Resetting location settings can resolve issues with location-based services. Open settings, tap general. Scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset. Then choose reset location and privacy. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. After the reset, go to settings, tap on privacy and security. Turn on the location services. Then scroll down and tap on system services. Again, scroll down. Next, enable setting time zone. Check if the time zone updates automatically. These steps should help fix the automatic time zone problem on your iPhone. If this guide was useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next troubleshooting guide.